Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about how to set up ANTLR to generate Parse tree. Okay, follow my steps. But first I'll talk about some basic setup for file extension. Um some of you might not be familiar with the file extension. What file extension is? Suppose this is a like a, txt file, but you can't see the extension that is .txt. So how to enable it? Follow me. I'm using Windows 10, and who might be using, some of you might be using Windows 8 or Windows 7. Windows 8 is quite similar, but Windows 7 has the setting over here. Just follow view, then options, then in this window, select view and enable this one, untick it. Okay, just untick it and then apply and okay. Now we can see upcoming cost.txt, the file extension. Okay, there's a need for it. We'll be talking about it later. Now just we'll be installing ANTLR on our PC, that's Windows PC. So we hover over to the Windows side, and there's the Windows setup thing. I'll don't need to follow this thing. I'll describe everything. So just go to your C drive, and I already have that folder, and I'm just deleting it for you guys now. Create a new folder, okay, and then name it whatever we wish. I'm gonna name it Java name. Okay, and inside it open 3 text file and rename it. First one I'm gonna rename it to ANTLR.bat. The file type should be .bat. Okay, and then press yes. Okay, ANTLR.bat, then new and a text document, then name it grun.bat, grun.bat. Okay, and we'll need another one of these. I'll name it at class.bat. Okay, now we have to download ANTLR. So just press download over here and select this option, complete ANTLR 4.7.1 binaries, and save it on your saved folder, Java. Okay, just save it over here. Before this, we'll need JDK, Java Development Kit. So from this menu, I'll give you guys this link on the video description. Just Windows and accept license agreement and download it from here. Okay, download, and after downloading just install it. That's it. I already have JDK installed on my PC, so I'm not gonna download it. Now we'll need to recognize our PC these files. Okay, so go to your environment setting, just type on the search and select it, and from here just select environment variables. Now there are two windows over here. One is user variable and the other one is system variable. Okay, so on the system variable there's an option called variable called path. Edit it, and from here you'll need to add the JDK destination, the Java destination, compiler destination folder. So we'll go to C drive where JDK is installed, Java. Then I'm using 2 version of it. I'm gonna use JDK 10.02. so from JDK, then binary, then from here, like from this folder we'll need this one, like Java compiler, javac. It's named as javac. Okay, so just we will have to add this path to the system variable. Okay, new and now. Okay, paste it and press OK. And from here we'll need the class path, which is our ANTLR 4.7 file. So just press new, name is as CLASSPATH, and add this file location here, and then add the full name of it. Okay, and then press OK. And from here, from the user variable, select path, edit, and select new. Add percentage class path percentage. Okay, and from here add new one, because we will need our PC to recognize these batch processes. So new, done, Java new. Okay, that's it. Like after this, press OK and press OK. Okay, so on the ANTLR.bat file, open this file. Okay, and go ahead on the ANTLR website, and we'll need this batch command, like this command, to run on the ANTLR.bat file. So just copy it and paste it over here and Control F, or you can just try this. And from the grun.bat file, open it, edit it. Like you can edit it on any editor, like I'm using Notepad++ over here. Okay, just paste it on the grun file and save it. And for the class.bat file, will like add the class. So just here, just remove this part. I'll like give this comment on the description, video description. Just save it, save all of them. Okay, after that we'll need to like add a grammar, like try out a grammar. So for that I'll like control a new I'll like create a new folder. Okay, and from here like type cmd. Okay, now I'll check if our PC knows those command, like ANTLR.bat command or not. Like type it, ANTLR. Okay, it knows, you know, like it's showing the necessary information. Then grun. Okay, that's it. Like it's already been set up. Okay, now we'll need the grammar from here. Just copy it and open create a new text document. Name it as .g4. Okay, then press yes, edit it on Notepad, paste the grammar. So in case of grammar, you'll have to like very careful about two things. Whatever the grammar name is, like experiment.g4, the grammar, then experiment, the name should be the file name. Okay, experiment, and then this is the starting symbol of the grammar. So whatever your grammar you'll be typing, like this is the starting symbol. I'll just change it for an example. Then go ahead and save it. After that we'll need needs like example to run for our grammar like this, then on this folder just create a new document. Name is where it is folder.txt, and from inside it just paste and like go on the new line. Okay, because inside our grammar will require a new line. Okay, it's been defined for this particular grammar actually. So after that we'll work. Before working, just type this, type class. Okay, now type it. We'll like compile our grammar. So ANTLR experiment.g4. Okay, I typed it like wrong. .g4. There was a spelling mistake. I'm sorry about that. So over here you can see like it created some files, .java file. Now our task is to compile this Java file into class file, Java C, then type x grammar name, experiment star dot Java. So it will compile all these Java files into class files. So just press enter and you can see like there are new class files created. So after that we'll need to check the grammar, grun, like we want a graphical parse tree. So then grammar name, then the starting symbol of the grammar, which is start for us, start, then our text file name. Okay, text file name is example, sorry. Then like it compiled, it showed no error, then we'll just add -GUI. So now it will like show a parse tree for us. So that's all. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask on the comment section, and enjoy. Take care.